Hey there, welcome to this video. So in this quick video, I'll show you how you can create a beautiful and fully SEO optimized breadcrumbs on your Shopify Horizon theme or any other latest Shopify theme. So here you can see it's fully SEO optimized and fully responsive. Like you can change the home icon, you can change the font size, color, background color, etc. And it's fully mobile responsive. Here you can see on the mobile devices it will show perfectly. So let me show you how you can add to your theme. So you have to log in your Shopify dashboard, then comes here themes, and then go to your live themes. Then you have to click here and edit code. Now we have to come here section and click here and add a new section and name it breadcrumbs or whatever you want and click enter. So the section has been created. Now we have to paste code, the breadcrumbs code on this section. So you can copy the code from the link in the video descriptions and you can paste it. So I am just pasting it here and save. Now you have to go to the customize theme customize options, and let's go to a product page. Here you can see nothing is showing. So you have to click here, header, under header, add section, and you will see the breadcrumbs options. Or you can also, so the header place is the global place. If you place on the, if you add on the header, it will show entire website. Like you don't have to separately add on the page template or in the block template. And if you add section here, then it will be only shown on this product page. So let's add on the header section, the breadcrumbs, and it should be appear perfectly here. You can see the breadcrumbs is showing. So if you click on it, you will see a lots of feature. The home button, you can customize the home button, you can customize the home label, you can hide the icon if you want, you can show that, you can change the icons if you want, store icons, or even the shopping cart icons, and you can change the color sizes as well, and the separator icon you can change to anything. So I think it's better. Then you can make the current page clickable. This one you can make clickable. Here you can see it's clickable, text aligned, padding, everything. So let's make the padding 10 pixel. Yeah, and obviously we can change the font size from here and the background size as well. So let's make the background little bit darker so that it stand out, and the show bottom border, so I would like to hide this. And here you can see the breadcrumbs is perfectly showing. So if I save, I can view the mobile version, and here you can see the mobile version also working fine, and you can change the color, font sizes for mobile version as well. So here you can see for mobile version I would like to make it 14 pixel. Okay, I would like to make it 12 pixel. Here you can see the font can be changed. So that's it, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.